Once upon a time in a kingdom not too far away, there lived two hares, a big one and a little one. They were the best of friends and they lived in a burrow under the roots of an old oak tree. They were happy with their simple life until one day when the bigger hare said to the smaller hare, "I'm tired of eating carrots and dandelions. I wish we could eat something more delicious." "What about frogs?" asked the little hare. When morning came, the owl was very grateful to the hares for helping him out. "Now," said the owl, "as a reward, I will help you catch that frog." And that is exactly what the owl did. He called all the birds, and together they made such a loud noise that the frog could not hide. And so the hares finally got their wish and they ate the fat, juicy frog. "They must taste good. Look how fat they are." Just then, a big fat frog hopped past them and said, "Did you say something about me?" "We were just saying that you must taste good," said the bigger hare. "Oh, really? And what makes you think that?" asked the frog. "Well, you look fat and juicy," said the bigger hare. "You look like you need a good licking." And the frog said, "Well, that may be true, but I'm not going to let you eat me." And with that, he hopped away. Every day the hares would try to catch the frog, but he was just too quick for them. One day, though, the hares had an idea. They would pretend to be a little mouse and squeak and squeal and hop around like a little mouse. And the frog, hearing this, would come running out of his hiding place to see if it was a real mouse. And then the hares would try to catch him. But every time the frog would slip away from their grasp. One day, the hares went to visit their friend, the owl, and told him about their plan. The owl thought for a moment. "Well," he said at last, "there is one way that I can help you. You see, I have an enemy, and that is a cat. And the cat wants to eat me. So maybe if you could do me a favor, I could help you catch that frog." "What is it you want us to do?" asked the hares. "Well," said the owl, "you see, the cat can see very well in the daytime, but his eyes are not so good at night. So I want you to go to the meadow tonight and pull up all the white flowers. Then when the cat comes to look for me, he will not be able to find me because it will be dark and he won't be able to see." The hares agreed to do this, and that very night they went out to the meadow and pulled up all the white flowers. When the cat came to look for the owl, he could not find him anywhere. So he went back home, slinking away into the bushes.